Welcome to Nature's Tiny Marvels, a series that explores the fascinating world of creatures often overlooked. In this episode, we venture into the miniature realm of ants, where teamwork, ingenuity, and resilience combine to create one of nature's most remarkable stories. Imagine a bustling city where millions live and work together seamlessly. Now, shrink it down to the size of your fingertip, and you have an ant colony. These miniature metropolises are structured with precision, each member having a specific role to play. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, each with unique characteristics. They are renowned for their social nature and extremely well-organized colonies, which can contain anything between a few and millions of members. From deserts to rainforests, ants may be found almost everywhere on the planet. They play a range of roles in their ecosystems, including seed dispersers, predators, and decomposers. The division of work inside an ant colony is one of its distinctive traits. Ants play a variety of roles, and these roles are frequently influenced by an ant's size, shape, and behavior. For instance, the worker ants look for food, look after the young, and protect the colony, whereas the queen ant's job is to lay eggs. Some ants specialize in certain tasks, such as warriors who guard the colony against predators or scouts who look for new food sources. Pheromones are chemicals that ants use to communicate with one another. These substances are utilized to mark trails, warn of danger, and draw in potential partners. Pheromones are another tool that ants employ to coordinate their actions within the colony. For instance, a foraging ant would leave a pheromone trail leading to a food source so that other ants can follow it. Ants use a wide range of various nesting techniques. Some ants construct elaborate underground nests that can cover several acres, like leafcutter ants. Other ants, like pharaoh ants, build their nests in tiny, concealed areas like gaps in walls or inside of electrical apparatus. Army ants are one type of ant that does not have a fixed colony. Instead, it travels around in search of food. Ants are well renowned for their capacity for agriculture. Some ants, like leafcutter ants, grow a particular kind of fungus that they then consume. Some creatures, like red harvester ants, gather seeds and store them underground for future use. Traditional human ears do not exist in ants. Instead, they can pick up vibrations and spot variations in air pressure thanks to specific sensory receptors on their antennae. Ants use a sophisticated system of pheromones and physical cues to communicate with one another and detect their surroundings thanks to their sensory organs, also known as Johnston's organs. Ants can lift weights that are 10 to 50 times heavier than their body weight. Their highly developed muscular system and the skillful manner they distribute their weight when transporting objects account for this outstanding strength. The bullet ant, commonly referred to as the 24-hour ant, and thought to have the world's most excruciating insect sting. According to reports, its sting can cause excruciating, scorching pain that lasts for several hours. The bullet ant is used by South American natives in rites of passage ceremonies where young men must suffer the sting to demonstrate their bravery and fortitude because the pain is so severe. Despite their terrible sting, bullet ants are crucial to the ecology as both pollinators of some plants and predators of other insects. When compared to their size, ants travel more quickly than any other animal in the animal kingdom. Some ant species, such the Saharan silver ant, may move as quickly as 50 body lengths per second, which is faster than a person running at approximately 500 miles per hour. With such lightning-fast speed, ants can easily avoid danger, locate food, and interact with other ants in their colony. Some ants have the ability to survive in water by using their own version of the doggy paddle, and can also float for long periods of time. To put it simply, ants are amazing survivors. Ant fights, often referred to as ant wars, can be fierce and sometimes result in casualties. Ants from rival colonies engage in battles, and some ants may die during these conflicts, as they defend their territory and resources. We are reminded that even in the smallest organisms, there is a universe of wonder and complexity as our adventure into the world of ants comes to a close. Ants are the architects, farmers, and protectors of nature, and they have made immeasurable contributions to the ecosystems of our globe.